August 24th, 2001. An Airbus A330 was crossing the Atlantic Ocean when both of its engines failed, hundreds of miles from the nearest airport. The airplane had lost all thrust, but it wasn't completely powerless, because hidden inside its tail was another jet engine, one almost no passenger even knows exists. And it all begins with this strange opening at the back of every airplane. If you've ever looked at an airplane from behind, you've probably noticed it. A perfectly round opening, hidden inside the tail. Some assume it's just another air vent. Others think it's there to cool the engines, but neither is true. Behind it is one of the hardest working systems on the entire aircraft. A system so important that without it, many commercial airplanes would never even reach the runway. So, here's the question. If a modern airliner already has two enormous jet engines, why would it need another one? At first, that sounds completely unnecessary. After all, those giant engines beneath the wings are among the most powerful machines ever built. Surely, they can power the airplane by themselves. Well, here's the surprising part. Before an airplane can fly, it first has to wake up. Think about the last time you boarded a flight. The cabin lights were already on. The cockpit displays were glowing. The airplane already felt alive. But if you looked outside, you would have noticed something strange. The two giant engines still weren't running. So, where was all that electricity coming from? The answer is hidden inside the tail. It's called the Auxiliary Power Unit, or simply the APU. At first glance, it looks like nothing more than a miniature jet engine, but it isn't there to push the airplane through the sky. Its job is to bring the airplane to life long before the main engines ever begin turning. And that leads to an even bigger mystery. If the airplane already has two giant jet engines, why can't they simply start themselves? The answer is surprisingly simple. A jet engine can't start itself. Before it can produce thrust, its compressor must already be spinning at a very high speed. Only then can enough air flow into the combustion chamber, allowing the fuel to ignite safely. But when an airplane is parked at the gate, the engine isn't spinning at all. It's completely still. So, before the engine can power the airplane, something else has to power the engine, and that's exactly what the APU does. But here's something most people don't know. The APU doesn't start the engines with electricity. It starts them with compressed air inside the APU. Air is compressed to a very high pressure. That air travels through pipes all the way from the tail to the engines beneath the wings. There, it spins a small device called the Air Turbine Starter. The starter begins turning the engine's compressor, slowly at first, then faster, until the engine reaches the speed needed for ignition. Only then, fuel is injected. The igniters fire, and within seconds, the engine comes to life. Ironically, the smallest jet engine on the airplane is responsible for waking up the biggest ones. But that leaves one final question. If the APU is so important, why hide it all the way back in the tail? The answer comes down to engineering. The APU produces intense heat and extremely hot exhaust gases. Installing it in the tail gives those exhaust gases a short, direct path out of the aircraft. It also keeps that heat away from passengers, cargo, and the wing fuel tanks. At the same time, the tail provides the perfect unused space for engineers to install the entire system without taking up valuable room inside the cabin. Once both main engines are running, the airplane no longer needs the APU, so shortly after takeoff, the pilots usually shut the APU down to save fuel. But what if something goes wrong? Let's go back to the beginning of our story. In moments like these, when an airliner loses all main engine power, it depends on multiple layers of backup systems. Batteries provide immediate electrical power for the most critical cockpit tools. Then, a small wind turbine called the Ram Air Turbine, or RAT, automatically drops from the belly into the rushing airflow. It acts like a small windmill, generating just enough hydraulic and electrical power to keep the essential flight controls alive, so pilots can still steer the plane. If the aircraft has fuel left and is within the certified altitude limits, the pilots will immediately attempt to restart the APU in midair. Once running, this tiny engine takes over the heavy lifting. That's the ultimate philosophy behind modern aviation. Never rely on a single system. Always have another layer ready, which brings us back to that small opening in the tail. Most passengers will never notice it. Many will never know what's hidden behind it. But before every flight, long before the main engines roar to life, that tiny jet engine is already working quietly in the background, powering the aircraft, starting the engines, and standing by if it's ever needed again. So, the next time you board an airplane, take one more look at its tail, because that strange little opening isn't just another hole. It's the entrance to one of the smartest engineering systems ever built into a commercial airliner. If you enjoyed uncovering this hidden piece of aviation engineering, click the playlist on your screen and keep exploring. And subscribe to WhySoScience, because every week there's another mystery waiting to be explained.